If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Limited in granite crystal metallic. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright daylight opening moldings, single exhaust with bright dual tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5704A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.